Okay, up we go. Hit this button here. Hold that button down there. It'll take off, go up about 4 feet. See how stable it is. It's a little bit wiggly in the wind there, so might not go too high. Well, let's go on up and take a look around. Up we go. There's the 2 cactuses. If it gets too windy up there, it usually gives you a warning. But so now let's point it out here and do kind of a panoramic turn here and see what that looks like. Here's some jets in the background. Don't want to get too high. Yeah, here's a little slow panorama. That's the road down there that we came in on. And that's pointing back towards Phoenix, which is 25 miles away or so. Yeah, I'll come back down and do a circle thing here. So fly it on back down. Where am I at down there? Yeah, there's that cactus. There I am. There's my pad. Come on down there, drone. Okay. Now we'll do a little circle thing here. Back out where I'm above the altitude of the cactus here, so I want to run into that. So now I'll just do what they call a helix, and that's kind of the next one in line here. So a helix, and I'm going to go all the way up to 200, 300, 380 feet on that one, so it'll be a big helix. So we'll do the same thing, draw a box around me or the cactus, and we'll hit the start button. 3, 4, 1, and now this should fly up, and as it's circling, it's going up, hence the helix. So it's going to go up, 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 and around, and end up at 320 feet. So there it's going up. Let's see the altitude here. Altitude is 150 feet there, so it's going on up. It's gonna go another 150 feet or so, I can just barely see it. It's a dot in the sky, but it's up there. You can see me down there, way down there. And over on the left there, you can see the entrance to the I can still see it. It's a dot. I don't think I'd want to fly up to 500 feet. I wouldn't see it anymore. So now it's coming back down to complete the helix. and then it should come back down to the starting point. And there's some more jets flying, but they're up a couple thousand feet, so I think I'm safe. Okay, it's stopped and now it's returning according to this button here. So it's returning. Come on back, drone. It's buffeting around there a little bit, but it's handling the wind fine. There, she's coming back down. You can see me. Hi, drone. Okay, that was a good one. So now I'm gonna try I never have tried the boomerang. I'm not too sure what that does. Let's go up and down, I guess. So I'm gonna try that one. So now we're on boomerang mode. So I'm gonna fly myself a little closer here. Not sure what that's going to do, but I'm above the cactus. Anything it's going to hit, so it should be good. So boomerang, by a box around me, and we start. Let's see what it'll do. Boomerang. Let's go up and back, I guess. So it's going over to the left. I'm glad I'm above the cactus there. I guess it's like you're throwing a boomerang and goes out, makes an arc, and probably comes back. So it looks like it's doing. Yep. Kind of cool. Amazing how this thing keeps stable and all that with the wind. That thing is jumping around. And it's back. There we go. That's the boomerang. So now, let's see what I can try. I think I'll try just the rocket. Now the rocket, normally you want to kind of get it above yourself, so I'll come up over here and then point the camera right down at me. Oops, wrong way. Still getting used to the controls on this thing. There I am down there. So now we'll do a rocket. Let's see. Rocket, let's go all the way up. Let's go way up to, on that one, 260 feet. I don't know if you can go any higher. So now, drive the thing around me and start. Let's see what happens here. Should go up to 280 or so. So there she goes. Up, 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 rocket. Bye, bye. Yeah, it's going way up there. It's pretty buffeting up there wind-wise, so I'm glad it's got good stabilization. Yeah, looking up in the sky, I can't even see it anymore. I think it disappeared. Hopefully it comes back. If not, you can hit the home button and then it'll come back down to you, which is down on the controller here. So okay, so it says it's 100% complete. Aircraft returning to task point. Should be right in front of me, so let's see if it does. Coming on down, looks like it's honing in on the pad here. Check my battery here. I'm still at 58% battery, so the battery can last from 20 to 30 minutes, depends what you do with this. Okay, there it is. So we're done there. So that's about all the quick shots. There's one other one, it's a droney. Well, I guess I'll do a droney and get them all in here. So the droney, it just flies out from your spot out to whatever altitude and then returns. So I'll try one of those. So first I'll bring it down. And get a picture of myself here. Now I'll draw a picture around me. Now let's see what happens here. Here we go. Mr. Droney. to this backup. And go up to whatever altitude I had set, and I don't know exactly which I had altitude here, but it might only be 180 feet or something like that, so I guess it wasn't that far, so it's coming back. Hello drone, nice to see you again. Okay, well let's stop that. And then I think I'll just kind of fly through these cactuses here and take a look at those, and then by then my battery will probably be gone. Yeah, let's do a fly through these cactuses here. I'll start the camera again here. Okay, now we're videoing, 4K video. I got a set of sort of pretend FPV goggles that would be good for this, but I didn't bring those along, but I might have to. If we look at that cactus down there, it's got a bunch of holes in it, so there might be birds living in there. Yeah, there's that cactus there. Oops, I guess I better bring that up a little bit. Turn it around. Oops. Wrong way there. Spin it around. Okay, there's that cactus. Oops, oops, oops. Gotta be a little more smoother on the control. So let's go in forward and check that cactus out a little bit. Don't want to get too close and hit that thing. Okay, there's the cactus. Ooh, I'm too close. Back up there. Okay, now we'll just fly up this cactus for an interesting shot, real slow. Wind's kind of buffing it around, but pretty stable here on the image. Okay. Okay, my battery's getting a little lower. I think I'll bring her on if I can hit the center of that pad there. Down a little bit, down, 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 down. Kind of buffering around there. Okay, land those. Well, pretty close. Okay, that's enough flying for this trip. I'll continue on the hike.